Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add or remove the OneDrive shortcut in File Explorer. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and open your File Explorer window. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. This will launch File Explorer and give you access to all your folders and drives. Once your File Explorer window has opened, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the window where your pinned and quick access folders are located. This is the navigation pane that shows all your main folders and shortcuts for easy access. Here, you'll need to look for the OneDrive folder. It's typically displayed with the blue cloud icon that represents OneDrive's cloud storage functionality. Now, right-click on the OneDrive folder to reveal additional options. A context menu will appear with several choices available to you. From this list of options, look for and click on Settings. This will open a new window specifically for managing your OneDrive configuration and preferences. When the OneDrive Settings window appears, you'll see several tabs on the left navigation panel. Head to the Account tab and click on it. This section contains important settings related to your OneDrive account connection and how it integrates with your File Explorer. The Account tab gives you control over which accounts are linked to your computer and how they appear in your system. Under the Account tab, you'll see an option labeled Unlink this PC. This essentially works as a sign-out button for OneDrive on your computer. Simply click on it, and this action will remove your OneDrive shortcut from your File Explorer's Quick Access menu. By unlinking your PC, you're disconnecting your OneDrive cloud storage from being displayed in your local File Explorer, which can be useful if you want to declutter your navigation pane, or if you're switching accounts. If you wish to add the OneDrive shortcut back to your File Explorer, the process is straightforward. Simply sign back in to your Microsoft OneDrive account, and the shortcut will automatically be added back to your Quick Access menu within File Explorer. This makes it incredibly convenient to toggle the OneDrive presence in your File Explorer based on your current needs. And that's it. You've now learned how to both remove and restore your OneDrive shortcut in File Explorer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.